es un avance muy importante de cara a hacer frente a problemas graves en zonas degradadas o zonas áridas con un muy difícil acceso al agua. Entonces esto permitirá una reforestación o incluso una plantación de especies productivas que serán positivas no solamente para el medio ambiente, sino también para la sociedad.
To develop, as we have seen, so it's not complicated, it's not so costly, and it's biodegradable. So I think it's getting together different good features. It could be a game changer, I think, for Europe, since we are unfortunately going towards a more dry effect of planting is sometimes just seen as, okay, we do plant, but we do not care whether the plant actually resists or dies afterwards. And this is actually a system that ensures that the plants that we plant are actually still there after a few years and do not die because of dry or other extreme events that we do have more often. So as I'm working on the LIFE program, which is the EU program on climate change and environment, I think this is a solution that I will suggest also for other types of countries and areas. And I think it has been a very good investment from the European Union, from public money, because we do see the results. And the team has been doing that in very large scale, so it's not just the small plots that we can see here, but it's actually going through different areas in Greece, in Gran Canaria, in Italy, and other parts of Spain. And now they're actually replicating, so this system is going to be, it is actually being used also elsewhere. So in general, I'm really very happy about what I can see concretely and what you can see as well here.
So the cocoon is actually not our idea. It has been used in Mesopotamia 2,000 years ago, but as a clay pot, not the way we're doing it now. And the basic idea is how the water is slowly released from the reservoir to the soil. And the clay pot is a heavy ceramic system, and if you would plant it by the millions, that would be a logistic nightmare. And with the current technology in making paper pulp products and making them watertight, where we're able to fuse the two together to the cocoon. And our biggest dream is to regreen Earth by planting millions of trees like this. So to make this happen, we really need a lot of public support and obviously also some money, but I think the engagement of public to understand the importance of planting trees to combat climate change, that is very important. And sadly enough today, we see, because of the climate change, that people are now starting to get worried, and we hope it's not too late.